Please stand for the national anthem.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
We acknowledge the traditional custodians of our country throughout Australia and their connections to the land, sea, and community. We pay our respects to these elders, past and present, and extend that respect to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islanders peoples today.
Flag reminds us that Australia is our home. We respect our parents, friends, teachers, school, and community. We believe that everyone is important and deserves a fair go. We want to make Bethel a fair, safe, and happy place for everyone.
A reminder that Breakfast Club is on every single day. So that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Come down to the building from 8:30 onwards for all your breakfast treats. Best part about all this, it's free of charge, which means you will not have to pay a cent. Make sure you head down to Breakfast Club.
So a way that you can earn some extra house points coming into week 6 is focusing on showing our whole school expectations. And for week 6, all the classrooms are focusing on expectations when we go to the canteen. We are so lucky to have a canteen at our school that makes us delicious food every day, and we really want to show our respect to everyone working in the canteen by following our expectations. So making sure that we line up quietly in the lines that are there on the ground outside the canteen, that we are waiting patiently, that we only spend our money, that we move away from the area once we've got our food, that we only eat in the pergola, and that when we're finished, we put our rubbish in the bin. So I'm looking forward to getting lots of notifications of people earning house points next week for showing our canteen expectations.
Won't be inter-school sport today as we won't be here on Friday, but there will be a photo montage. See you next week. Enjoy.
Last week, the Year 5-6 students had an incursion about the government. In the incursion, we learnt all about how the government is run. One of my highlights is being government. Here are some photos for the incursion for last week.
Speaker. Today we are looking for the Physical Education Bill. The Minister for Education has the bill.
Minister for Education, standing up. You're reading the first yellow part.
Thank you very much, Speaker. I present the Physical Education Bill.
So yeah, you're going to hand it to the clerk. Now, the reason that the actual bill is going to the clerk is this. Remember, we can't, our
Hi, I'm Nella. I'm the Community Hub Leader here at Bethel Primary School. I run programs for parents, so come and join me. We've got lots of exciting things happening this year, so check out our timetable. We have our Tune Into Teens program running every Tuesday morning, and our playgroup is now over at our kinder site on Thursdays. Thanks.
Hi everyone, I'm here to give you your house points update for this week. So we are halfway through the term, and this week in 4th place is Lorikeet on 275 house points. In 3rd place is Rosella on 298 house points. In 2nd place is Thornbill on 366 house points, and Kingfisher is in the lead again this week on 381 house points.
Hello girls, boys and school community. A great week we've had at Bethel, and if you cast your mind back to our last school assembly last Friday, 7 days ago, it was my privilege to hand out our Junior School Council badges, and we had our first meeting as a 2025 JSC yesterday, and I'll tell you what girls and boys, we've got an exciting year coming up with those little legends leading the way. So look out for messages in newsletters and also on school assemblies to let you know of the JSC events coming up. Also of note this week, we had our Meet the Teacher night on Wednesday night. A fantastic turnout from our families. We love having you in, and it's a really special night because teachers and parents and families were able to share lots of information about you, our students. And when that happens, it's a really strong relationship we have between home and school, and what that produces is a lot of trust and basically your student outcomes we know will go through the roof because you supported beautifully from home and at school. So another thing, girls and boys, I was just chatting with a few teachers earlier on today. We're halfway through the term. Can you believe it? We're 10 weeks of term 1 and we're 5 weeks down. Halfway through already. Time flies when you're having fun, and we certainly do here at Bethel Primary School. Have a lovely weekend, stay safe, be good to your family and friends, and until Monday, that is me, signing off.